Check this out. I got one of my favorites here. You know why? Let me tell you why real quick. Because today's a special day, son. Today's a special day, parents. Today's a special day, brothers and sisters. Because why? Boom! We got what I've been telling you guys about. 2007 SALEEN. Hold on. Let me get. And just so you guys know, I'm not messing around either. A Mustang is by far one of my favorite cars in the world. I absolutely, positively love them. Everything about them, the sound, the appeal, everything. Just the whole nature of the Mustang, the heritage, where it started, how it started, who started it, you know. Google this name, Lee Iacocca. Comment below and let me know what you find out. Watch the movie on Netflix, by the way, too. It's called A Fast Horse or something like that. This is my real wallet. I'm not gonna BS you guys. Look, dealership credit card points, personal card, business card. It's all busted up. You know, my cards right here. My license, all that jazz. So, I'm not joking. That's my personal wallet. That's how much I love Mustangs, okay? With that said, I hope you enjoyed the beginning of the video. If you did, subscribe, hit the notification button. This is Mark. This, my friends, is a 2007 Ford Mustang SALEEN S281 Supercharged. Kick-ass car. Awesome in every single aspect. It's got a few small, tasteful mods to it. Very minor, tasteful mods. The car sounds absolutely beast. And I'll explain why in just a second. Let's do a walk around and check out this car. Check it out. We're gonna start off with what branding and number this particular car is. It's number 368, right there. On all SALEENs, okay? Well, how you guys word it might be differently too. SALEEN, however you guys wanna word it. It's all based on what you word it and how you wanna say it, who cares? It's like Gallardo, Lamborghini, whatever. Say it how you wanna say it. I say SALEEN. Number 368, okay? Key feature right there in a Mustang, SALEEN. I'm gonna show you another spot where it says it too. All right, for everybody's like, oh, it's a kit car, that's a mock-up car. Okay, cool, it's a mock-up car. Now look, Noah, film right under there. Right here, guys. Look. Number 07, that's ID number 07, that's the year, dash 0368. That's number 368, S281 SALEEN. All right, now that we have the hood pumped, let's start off with a basic few engine mods so I can get through this video. Factory style supercharger, factory SALEEN supercharger, root style corkscrew supercharger, it's like Kenny Bell style, whatever you want to call it. It's got a JLT cold air intake system with a K&N conical filter. All the factory stuff that we have that was taken off, it's in the trunk of the car. We have it. You got the factory air intake. It's got an aftermarket fuel pump in it. It's got a whole bunch of goodies on this car. Now, it's got a cutout, it's called the Billy Boat exhaust or the Captain's Choice exhaust. You can switch between loud or quiet. It sounds awesome. So I'll move on the side real quick and I'll show you. On the inside right here, look how beautiful this is. Check it out. The door panel's in immaculate shape. Look at that. Awesome, awesome shape, beautiful. The door sill right here, absolutely gorgeous. The VIN sticker right there, beautiful. The mats are like not even satin. And the reason why, I'm gonna show you guys the mileage right quick. The mileage right here, guys, you ready? Is 13,965. I put on about, maybe 300 or 400 of those so far, okay? It's got, no, a film right here in the section. It's got an aftermarket double dim Pioneer CD player or Bluetooth player in it. Watch this, when you turn it on, what comes up? A beautiful back end of a SALEEN. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. You got your boost gauge right here, guys. You got your air intake temperature right here. So, and the thing I love about Saleens, guys, I'm gonna start up and show you. Now hear that loud throaty exhaust? Listen, stay there, listen. Listen, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let there be peace and quiet and utter silence. So, that's all there is to it, guys, you know what I mean? It's pretty simplistic like that. And what you probably hear a little bit of a whine. Two things. One's the supercharger. The other one is the alternator. I got a brand new alternator coming in for this car. It's common for it. It's a reverse style alternator on these Saleens, so they can accommodate the blower and all the pulleys and all that stuff like that. Now right here is my favorite part about a SALEEN Mustang. Those of you, all of you guys who are enthusiastic about the SALEEN Mustangs like no NIR, as well as Anthony out there. Anthony, I know you got one. Check this out. The best feature of a SALEEN right here is the favorite, best thing in the world. Look, right here. In each and every pod right there says SALEEN all the way across. Red lines at 6 or 8 grand. All the way here, right there. Miles per hour, 200 mile an hour dash, SALEEN right on it. Right over here, the steering wheel, SALEEN. Floor mats, SALEEN. Super, super custom seats, like from your spinal cord that fits right in the grooves of the seat. SALEEN key feature seat. SALEEN headrests. SALEEN back seats with the spinal cord little feature there. Other seat. It's just a great car. When you're driving it, all you see is the SALEEN banner, and it's just, you feel so tough. You look down at the hood, you see the louvered hood with the gills right there, and there's nothing more gratifying than driving this car. On the Saleens too, they did not make a trunk button. I found that out. I called SALEEN a while back. I was like, hey, I can't find the trunk button, you guys. Would you happen to know where it might be? Maybe SALEEN did something different, because they all do sorts of things. They take a Ford GT and they send it to the factory and they modify the hell out of it and SALEEN it up and send it back. So I was like, where's the button at? Couldn't find it in the glove box where it usually is. You know what they told me? Right there in the key fob. I was kind of shocked. You walk around to the back, and the one thing you'll notice is the beautiful, beautiful built-in wing ducktail off the back end of the car. The bumpers also incorporates part of the design. The spoiler right here is super, super aggressive. It's got a really great look to it, but it also serves a purpose. You put a good amount of downforce when you're driving on a track or however fast you go, 150 plus, puts about 100, 200 pounds of downforce on the back end. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. This is a 3-light taillight system here with the factory Mustang. SALEEN puts their own grill guard kind of grill over it that hides the third brake light, the inner brake light or inner marker light, and leaves the reverse light exposed. License plate right here, flip it down. It's just a kick-ass system, guys. All of it is SALEEN incorporated right here. Every part of it's SALEEN. Exhaust right here. No, get a close-up of the exhaust right here. If you look at it, if you look close, can you see that through the camera? Yeah. Can you see it? Get a little closer so the guys can see it. See that, guys? Look at that. SALEEN right there. Look at that. SALEEN engraved into the actually stainless steel exhaust tips. SALEEN bumper, and it's got all the signature SALEEN grill right here. If you look inside, this little tiny mesh grill, that's signature SALEEN right there, guys. And I'll pop the trunk for you, show you everything. It's a little bit of heaviness right there. So the best part of all, ready? Woo! Look at that. Absolutely documented, blueprinted, and everything. Zoom in, make sure you guys can see it. Right there, original MSRP of the SALEEN, $60,934. Super, super good car. There's the VIN number right there. 2007 S281 Supercharged 3-valve coupe. Exterior color is RedFire red. Interior dark charcoal leather. Number 07, serial number 368. SALEEN, and my favorite quote of all besides Mr. Ford himself. Power in the hands of a few. That's right, guys. Power in the hands of a few. Let's see what we got in the box here. So, like I explained to you guys, factory air intake system. All right, factory air filter. I mean, you got, what else you got? You got a whole bunch of goodies in here. All the factory stuff, you know, everything that we could find. And what do you got here? Just like I explained under the hood. Made in the USA. Upgraded supercharger pulley. SALEEN supercharger pulley right there. Boom. SALEEN right on there because it's been upgraded. So, like I said, the fuel pump, pulley, and look what else we got. Let's go inside real quick so we can end this video and get you guys on with the show on the next oncoming truck we have here in about, what, 30 minutes, I would say? So. Yeah. I hate leaving you guys on stuff like this because honestly, it's like this is my passion right here. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love cars. You know, I love my Lamborghini. I love all the other lifted trucks I have and all this stuff, especially my monster truck. But there's nothing more that gets my rocks off than this car right here. I mean, look, I even got a boner right now. No, I'm just messing with it, but I do. Oh, look, SALEEN pedals too, look. SALEEN pedals too, clutch, all that stuff. Now look, check it out. Look, we got a piece missing off the one clutch pedal right there, black, but here it is. SCT tuner right here with the stick gauge pod mount right there. Let's do a circle around the car real quick. Let's check it out. So tires, and we'll go with the tire size. You guys ready? And these are signature SALEEN too. This has a small little crack on it right here. Look, that's got a small little crack on it. These are like SALEEN rear window louvers. Super aggressive, really nice looking. The tires, guys, we got a gorgeous looking tire. These are a NITTO, okay? These are a NITTO 255/35 20-inch rear tire. Pretty much 98% tread remaining on this tire. Wide footprint, very aggressive tire, and it looks really, really nice. The front tire, same thing. We got a NITTO 255/35 20. Comes with a huge slotted rotors. You got the factory SALEEN brakes. It's a little faded, you can see it, but they're still 6 piston calipers, I want to say. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 6 piston calipers, factory SALEEN. And it's just a really nice car. And if you look under the car, Noah, can you film this down here? Under the car, you can see a little valve right here, like a servo valve. All right, and the dump right there. See the dump right there? So that's the switch, how you switch it from full hardcore to like quiet bone stock. That system right there. And the switch is inside the center console. Little button that switches on and off from loud to soft. The SALEEN has an amazing aerodynamics package. It's set apart from any other car in Mustang they produce. Side skirts, hood, front bumper, louvers, wing, rear bumper. It's just, they design it totally kick-ass, and I love everything about it. We'll do a walk around in the video, and hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hey, I'm gonna model next to it. Ready? How do those girls model? We'll do a walk around so we can end the video. Quick walk around the whole entire car. No close-ups, just a quick walk around. Like I said, guys, the car only has 13,000 some odd miles on it. It's a kick-ass car, and it's going to detail here in the next 30 minutes. But that's about it. If you guys have any questions, call or text me 540-848-2974. This is Mark with a 2007 Ford Mustang SALEEN S281 Supercharged. Subscribe, hit the notification button, share the video, post it on my Facebook, post on your Facebook, post on anybody's Facebook. Instagram, check me on Instagram. I even forgot my Instagram account information. I'll tag it in the video. But hope you guys do well. This is Mark signing out. See you.